Hello, welcome to Gamers. Today Gamers would like to compare trade values and retail prices with GameStop's. The first item is a 500 gigabyte PS4 system. Gamers pays $175 cash and GameStop pays $140 cash. Gamers sells it for $275 and gives you one free game worth $15. GameStop sells it for $299.99 with no free game. Take time to let that sink in. GameStop is more than doubling their money and won't even give the next guy a free game. Item number 2 is a 4 gigabyte Xbox 360. Gamers pays $35 cash and GameStop pays $20 cash. Gamers takes the systems apart, thoroughly cleans them, and installs a new disk drive. That's the part that typically wears out and causes the Xbox to not read games. The disk drive costs $40, but Gamers doesn't charge when installing in the system for sale at the store. Gamers honestly doesn't know if GameStop does any repairs or upgrades. Let's compare Gamers pays $35, installs a $40 part at no charge, gives customers a free $15 game, and sells it for $109, so Gamers profits $19. GameStop pays $20, sells it for $99 with no free game, and honestly, Gamers has no idea if GameStop does any repairs or upgrades. If GameStop doesn't, that's a $79 profit. Last item is a 500 gigabyte 360 slim hard drive. Gamers pays $25 and sells for $50. GameStop pays $10.56 and sells for $59.99. Gamers has been in business for 24 years and believes in making a fair profit, but Gamers doesn't believe GameStop is being fair. You be the judge. All price info was taken directly off GameStop's website on May 5th, 2016. Gamers thanks you for watching. Knowledge is power.